Something we all did as children, and something when I put into programming, most of the members freak out in the beginning because they have lost the ability, they have lost the strength, and the fear within them of doing this movement can be so great that it literally paralyzes them. But once they get the first movement, they realize, oh, I can do this, and they embrace it, and it becomes more fun. And it does release something in every adult, because as children, we did this all the time just for fun. It's something that you watch our kids do. You've done it as a child, and when you start doing this, and your kids start seeing you doing this, trust me, you become a hero. Your kids love doing this with you. Now, the thing about the skin the cat is, once you've got the basic movement, once you can do about 5 of them non-stop, it sort of loses its ability to really increase muscle. You can keep doing more and more and more of them, but it gets pretty boring. You can move into things like German hangs, but that requires more flexibility in the hamstrings, and a lot of guys don't bother working that, like myself, admittedly. But we can still make the skin the cat a lot more complex and increase muscle strength and help other movements develop through doing these very, very simple drills and adding complexity to the movement. So the first one we're going to do is a skin the cat to a pull-up. And you'll start the normal skin the cat. You tuck in, come around. Now see this point here? You can put your feet on the floor to take some pressure and allow the shoulders to stretch and turn your arms around so that their different ligaments and joints and muscles are getting stretched and strained. And then from here, don't jump, lift yourself to the core. And as you come around, instead of putting your feet on the floor, you do a pull-up, hold, back down, and then you're back around. You can put your feet on the floor or not. Up, hold, back down, and you stay with that until you can do 5 comfortable reps. Once you've done that, you can then take it one step further. And we do the skin the cat. We do the shoulder stretch or not, depending on what you're wanting. We're here. We pull up. We switch sides to one side. Come to the other. Back around. And back in. And the great thing about these type of drills are your imagination, your creativity is your limiting factor. Something might be hard, which is what you want. You want that difficulty. The journey you're going to go on here is going to make it more fun because you challenge yourself. You're learning ways to move your body better than you will just doing simple linear movements. But you're also giving your muscles a great workout in different ranges, meaning that your muscles are getting stronger in ranges that are shaped positions that basic weight training doesn't develop. So give that a go, and remember, complexity is king when the upper body drills like on the rings.